The Mariana Trench is the deepest place known to humans on the planet, located in the Pacific Ocean and descending more than 11,000 meters into an abyss so dark and crushing that almost nothing we know could survive there. If we placed Mount Everest inside it, it would still be submerged by more than a kilometer. The pressure at the bottom is so extreme, it would be like having 1,000 elephants stacked on top of you, and no ordinary submarine would reach that depth alive. The few expeditions that have explored this abyss revealed creatures so strange they seem from another planet. Transparent fish, bioluminescent organisms, giant shrimp, beings that glow like underwater stars. Some scientists believe there may be unknown forms of life down there, possibly species that don't rely on oxygen like we do, creatures adapted to extreme conditions that have never seen sunlight. If anywhere on Earth could hide alien-like life, it's this place. The bottom of the Mariana Trench also hosts underwater volcanoes, toxic gases, boiling mud fields, and hydrothermal vents releasing superheated water, and surprisingly, even there life survives. This makes us wonder, if life can exist under such extreme conditions here, why couldn't it exist in the oceans of other worlds like Europa or Enceladus? The truth is that most of the Mariana Trench remains untouched. We know more about the surface of the moon than about this abyss. There could be colossal undiscovered species or entire hidden ecosystems. The deep ocean is Earth's last great mystery, and every meter explored could change what we know about life. So what do you think could be hiding down there? A new world, giant creatures, or nothing but silence and endless darkness? Comment below and subscribe for more mysteries like this.